My name is Ed DeRosier. I'm from Visalia, California. I've been RVing for, I'm an old guy, so over 40 years. It's fun to get out, enjoy nature. I really like to go where there's nature. Well, this is my first motorized RV. I had pull trailers, fifth wheels. The big change of life was getting to the motorized, and it's horrendous to drive. I was used to drive my F-350, and if I wanted to change lanes at 70 miles an hour in a crosswind with a semi, I didn't feel it. I didn't even know it was there. This thing, at 35 miles an hour, if a semi passed you, you knew it. It was scary right out of the box. There's a lot of interesting stuff on YouTube. I've been looking at videos for several months. I've probably gone to years now. I saw nothing negative about what the risk was. The ride was better. By the time we got back, I turned to Jason and said, this is like riding in a car. It was step on it, turn it, made U-turns, went up and down driveways, over bumps. It wasn't that motion of, a whale going back and forth. It was just stable, so I was very impressed. They're going to keep their RV, and they're happy with what they have outside of the ride. Hands down, it's worth every penny.